this video, we will be discussing calculating area. We will be focusing on finding the area of polygons. By the end of this video, you will be able to calculate the area of triangles. So let's talk a little bit about the relationship between triangles and rectangles or squares. So a rectangular square can always be cut in half to produce two equal right triangles. So again, if I cut right here, I have one triangle here and a second triangle here. If the formula for finding the area of a rectangle is base times height, so I'm taking my base, which is right here, times my height, which is here, to get the area of my rectangle. Well, or my triangle is only half of that, so I would take half of the base times the height because I only need this part right here. So let's take a look at the height of a triangle. So height and base meet at a 90-degree angle. So in my first triangle here, it's pretty easy to see. Here is my base, and here is my height. And they meet at this 90-degree angle right here. That is going to happen every single time. So if this triangle, here is my base, so my height has to meet at 90 degrees. So here is the height of my triangle, because right here is a 90-degree angle. This next one, again, here's my base. So my height would go to this point. So again, here's a 90-degree angle. Now in this last triangle, here's my base of my triangle, but there's nowhere really to match the height at 90 degrees. So the height of my triangle is actually out here. So there's my height, here's my base, and then I have this little extra here to show that they're actually meeting at 90 degrees. Now, this extra here, you're not going to measure because you're only going to measure from here to here for your base. Looking at this triangle, to find the area, I would have area equals 1/2 base times height. And substituting my numbers in, I'd have 1/2 multiplied by 3.5 multiplied by my height, which is 2. So area equals 3.5. Again, my label is meters, so it would be 3.5 meters squared. Next one here, I have again area equals 1/2 base times height. Area equals 1/2. Well, the base of my triangle, remember, it goes from right here to right here. I'm not worried about that part. So it'd be multiplied by 10 and then multiplied by the height. Well, this is my height right here because it meets at a 90-degree angle. So I'd have 6 there. So I would have area equals 30. And since I'm dealing with feet, I would have 30 feet squared. Now this one, a little bit different. It gives me the area and I have to find the height. So again, I have area equals 1/2 base times height. Well, here's my area. So I'm going to put 48 in for here. 1/2 multiplied by my base, which is 12, and multiplied by h because I don't know my height yet. So now I have 48. Well, 1/2 times 12 is 6, and then multiplied by h. Then I need to do the inverse, and so I'm going to divide by 6, and that gives me 8 equals h. So 8 is my height, so my answer would be 8 centimeters. I'm not going to square that because I'm only looking for the height, not the entire area.